Hello everyone. So in my last video I had shown you some exercises which you should do every day. I hope you are doing. Today I am using this pencil. This is 2.0 mm pencil. Circle is the most important practice you have to do because your hand will become free with this. First I'll tell you how to draw the lines on the circles. Like this is the circle, but if it is totally front, then you have to draw this line straight, and here also if it is in the middle, okay, and here also it's in the middle, okay. But if in case the line is shifting from this towards the right or left, then this line will become little curvy. Like if this line is going this side, then it will go like this, okay. Likewise this side, and here also like this. I hope you are getting my point. To show it as 3D, so this is important. That also you need to practice. Okay, why? Because when you are putting the eye line or the center line, it will work to place the eyes, nose, ears, everything. Okay, so let's see an example. Like if I'll draw a circle, okay, like this, and now I am putting the center line like this and the eye line little below. So now here I can put the nose, I can put the eyes over here maybe, or maybe here. It depends where I want to put, okay. And here I'll put the ears. Okay. So this is very simple. You can do it. If the eye line will go up, maybe here, then the eyes will also go up like this. Okay, so you need to practice the lines. Okay, and how you need to practice, I'll tell you. First you draw a circle like this, and then try to put the line like this and like this. Okay, so here the line will be like this, like this. First I'll take the center line like this maybe. And from here as well. Next I'll draw something combination of cuboid and sphere. Okay, so I'll draw a sack. So here the center line will be like this, and then it will be somewhat like this. Okay, see. So likewise you need to practice in all objects, all type of objects. Okay, so here it will be like this. Okay, next I'll do maybe pencil. Okay, so now this pencil lines will be like this. Okay, so everything will go like this, see. But here this line is there, this one and this one. Okay, so this will be like this. So now the next thing you need to practice is you have to take any object and do exactly the same. Suppose I'll take this type of object, okay, and I'll keep it like this and try to draw exactly like this. So likewise I'll do something related to our character designing, like this type of practice also you need to do, okay, like this. This is a somewhat like cylinder. Just try out all these things. Next you need to practice like this, only hand moving very freely, okay. This is cloud. So likewise you need to do different shapes, okay. On that you need to draw once again, see, like this, okay. Then this is number 1, cloud. Second, leaf or leaves, okay. How you need to draw, I'll tell you. This is the procedure, okay. This type of thing you need to draw. Second, this is the first one, this is the second one. Here also you need to do some more closely. Like this you need to draw, okay. This is the second one. Third you need to draw like this, okay. Grasses, okay. Long, small, everything you need to include in your practice, okay. So 1, 2 and 3. If you want I can say some more, but for the time being in this video you need to add these to the previous one with this. Once again, like for clouds you can do, see, without lifting your hand you can do these type of exercises, okay. And grasses like this, even you can join it and make it a flower, okay. And what else I told you, okay, leaves like this. This also you can do, okay. So for clouds you need more gap and more semicircles are included in this, but here leaves, and this is, okay, this is grass, sorry, and this one is leaves, this one clouds, okay. So these things you need to practice every day, including this, and I'll meet you in my next video. So till then, take care and bye bye.